Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about fixing Valorant unable to invite. In case of Valorant, if you're unable to invite your friends, most possibly you are from different region. To check that, first you have to go to Write Support, hit enter, click on Write Games, Support. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now scroll down until you find Transfer Region. Just click on that. Now you'll be able to check whether your region of residence is your local country or it has been mistakenly changed to any other country. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.